Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get on OnlyFans without cards. So let's get started. For that, we need to simply get into any browser and search for OnlyFans, and we get into this interface. And make sure you enter your login details and log in. And that is simple. We can access few things like the post over here. We can like and comment here, but we won't be able to do few things like sharing the post and earning if we do not add our card. So we can see I have not added my card yet. Let's get into profile, and here we can see your card option. I have not added it yet, but I can access few things over here. So that is all, and if you actually want to add the card, you can simply get into profile and click on this card option to add it. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.